All I'm saying is, if immigration is a problem, and we all say it is, and you think it needs to be dealt with in a discreet way, and you've passed bills out, why don't you bring them to the floor?
The news of this week, unfortunately, has been many Americans very unhappy with the work product coming out of this town as far as health care is concerned. And I would posit to the gentleman that a bill like Obamacare or a bill like the Senate immigration bill produces the kinds of impact and effect that we're seeing this week and last week and the prior.
They don't like the health care bill. By the way, Madam Speaker, I'm starting to get that message. Pretty thick, takes some time, but on 46 votes to repeal or to undermine, I get it. You don't like that bill. Apparently, we don't have a disagreement on the fact that the immigration system in America is broken.
We need some indication from the White House and from the majority in the Senate that they'll actually work with us. And the will of the House is reflected on the votes here.
He has 218 votes on his side of the floor. Matter of fact, he has substantially more than that. If this bill is so good, if the last bill was so good, bring it to the floor and pass it.
But it doesn't mean that if we pass something in the House, it automatically has to be something the Senate will support.
All I'm asking is, now for the fourth time, will you bring one or more of these bills to the floor